finally got the drywall repaired. And now the little woman is painting. Greetings from Texas. Okay, I thought I'd do a short video. This is not a how-to video. These are the holes I had the plumbers put in, so I'm in the shower doing these. So I thought I'd just show you kind of roughly what I did. And I made cardboard patterns, traced the holes, took them outside and cut my drywall. So I have one piece installed. And I'll show you what I'm using. Okay, so where I don't have beams, and instead of cutting a patch going from 2x4 to 2x4, I'm using these drywall repair clips. And these clip right into the holes, and it comes with screws. So you screw that into the base wall, and then you screw your patch onto here, and I'll show you. Okay, so on this patch, I have kind of a header to screw my patch into. So over here, I'm reinforcing it. So you just slide these clips on like that, and you screw them in. You want to recess them a little bit. And then you put your patch in, and you screw them to these braces, and then you just snap off these clips. So I'll show you that process. Okay, hopefully you'll be able to see what I'm doing. And your patch doesn't have to be an exact fit. It's better actually if you have a little bit of gap to allow some joint compound to get in there. So let's see if I cut this patch correctly. All right, now I'm going to screw this piece into the existing 2x4. Okay, and that gives it support, and then you just snap off these tabs. Okay, so next I'm going to use this tape, drywall tape. And we're going to put these along all four sides. You just don't want to overlap it. And this gives something for the spackle to stick to. Okay, again, don't overlap that. You just want to get them flush. They don't necessarily have to be touching. And there we have it taped off. And that's all I'm going to do for today because we're going to a friend's for supper.